This hummus recipe comes from my stepdad who's Greek, so I feel like it's pretty legit. For this recipe, you can use a food processor or your blender, but because not everyone has a food processor, but all of us have a blender, let me show you how it comes together in the blender. First, let's add our chickpeas. Lemon juice. Next, we have the tahini, which is sesame paste. I know it's not a common pantry staple for some people, but it's absolutely essential for hummus, so don't skip it. Plus, it'll last in the fridge for a long time, so you can make a lot of hummus. And then there's olive oil, cumin, salt, a little black pepper. Now you guys, I personally love garlicky hummus, so I'm gonna throw in a couple of garlic cloves. Now everyone likes their hummus a little differently, so if you want it thinner, just add more water or olive oil, but let's check it out. It's perfect, the consistency that I love. Creamy, delicious, and very garlicky today. So you're gonna wanna refrigerate this for about an hour to cool down, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like. The recipe is right below this video, and make sure you click that red subscribe button because a new video comes out every single week. See you guys next time.